Hi, Syracuse. Hey, Central New York. So what actually happens at a closing? I mean, I know the deed gets transferred, and I actually own the property, yeah, but what is really involved? So you want to make sure you're going to be signing papers, and a lot of them. So not only are you signing the deed, which is being transferred in your name, there's an RP, and then you have your other forms, and these forms are for letting the county know where to send your tax bill, because officially they want to be paid and you want to make sure they're sent to the correct address, also known as the mortgage. A lot of copies of those, one for you, one for the bank, one for the attorneys, each of the attorneys, so everybody gets a copy. I did the county tax deed, a closing statement. So this actually shows you who is paid what. The taxes are prorated to the day of closing. If there's an HOA involved, what happens there. And then they also let you know if there's a mortgage involved, when your first payment is due. So if you're closing today, chances are your first payment is going to be due either October or November. So just a heads up there. Aside of all the papers, you want to make sure you bring a photo ID, probably a state issued or a passport, so that it's I don't want to say legitimate, but it's an actual form of ID that shows who you are, to keep the banks and the attorneys happy, make sure there's no scam involved. And believe it or not, in today's day and age, it's scary what these people can do. So so an ID is very much required. Then they're probably going to want you to bring a cashier's check if any funds are due at the closing table. Please listen to how they want the check made out, and then also if they want anything specific in the memo. So, and then let's see, did I go over the New York Star exemption? You want to make sure that they give you the link, because it's no longer a form. You go online, and this is for owner-occupied residents. So there you get a star rebate. And you want to make sure you sign up for that, because we pay enough taxes. Get your rebate. So I did the town and county. If you have any exemptions, if there's a second loan, anything of that nature, all of that paperwork is going to be signed that day. And then, yes, at the end, you officially get keys, garage door openers if applicable, all of that fun stuff. And that is a closing. Probably takes about 30 to 45 minutes. Have a great day, Syracuse, Central New York. Thank you.